Hello and welcome to the MODversation. Yeah, episode 17, key fob battery replacement. I think you'll enjoy this. It's a car related thing, so let's just jump into it. I just wanted something to do for you that had something car related. So here is me replacing the Mark IV Golf key fob, 2002 model, and you'll see it in the video. And I'm replacing the battery, which I like to do every 6 months to a year. And in this case, with all the driving back and forth to Fresno, I needed to have this in my mind reassured that it's taken care of. So here we go. That was key fob battery replacement. Hope you enjoyed that. And stay tuned for episode 18, which will be on all the road trips I'm taking to Fresno. I like to make sure that all my car equipment, because I'm driving a classic car, 23 years old, is up to speed. So I made a hatch kit, a hatch road trip kit, the hatch grand tour kit, whatever you want to call it. But so I'll assemble that for you in the next video. That'll be episode 18. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Car stuff.